Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple method to install or update all the drivers on your Windows 11 PC for free. A lot of users don't regularly update their drivers. They continue using their system as usual until issues suddenly show up. For instance, the computer may start slowing down or lagging. Wi-Fi might stop working, graphics performance can drop, or Bluetooth devices may fail to connect. In many situations, these problems occur because drivers are outdated or not installed properly. Updating drivers manually can be tricky as well. You first need to identify which driver needs updating. After that, you have to search for the correct version and download it from a reliable source, which can be confusing and time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to update all your drivers with just one click without using any paid tools or visiting random websites. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for snapdriver installer origin. From the search results, click on the official website. Once the site opens, look for the download button and click on it. This will take you to another page. Scroll down until you find the download section. Click the download link, and a small zip file will begin downloading. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract to unpack the contents. Once extracted, open the newly created folder. Inside, you'll find two application files, one for 32-bit systems and one for 64-bit systems. Most Windows 11 computers use 64-bit. If you're not sure which one your system uses, open the Start menu and search for System Information. Open it and check the system type. If it shows x64-based PC, you should run the 64-bit version. Now, right-click on the correct application file and open it. Accept the terms and allow any necessary permissions. When the program launches for the first time, you'll see three options. The first option is to download all driver packs, which includes drivers for many devices but comes with a very large file size. The second option is to download only network drivers, such as Wi-Fi and Ethernet, which is useful if your internet connection isn't working. The third option is to download indexes only, which is the best option for most users. It downloads a small file that scans your system and lists only the drivers you actually need. Choose the third option. The tool will download the index and then scan your computer for missing or outdated drivers. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list showing which drivers are outdated, which have updates available, and if any are missing. You can click on any driver to view more details. If you want to update everything quickly, click Check All, then press OK. You can also choose options like this PC only or network only, or uncheck everything if you prefer to select drivers manually. After making your selection, click OK. You may enable Show Only Updates and hide missing drivers if needed. Once you proceed, the program will begin downloading and will automatically create a restore point. After selecting the drivers manually, click OK again to start the installation. The program will start downloading and installing all necessary drivers. The time required will depend on your internet speed and the number of updates needed. Just wait for the process to complete. Once everything is finished, close the application. Then restart your PC so the changes can fully apply. After your system boots up again, it should now be running with the latest drivers. If there are no warnings or hardware issues, it means everything was installed successfully. And that's it. That's how you can update all your Windows 11 drivers using a simple one-click method. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy and useful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.